Hey there! So today what we're going to do is we're going to figure out how to make a hollow pipe in Fusion. So we're going to start with a new part design, create new, then we're going to go to the top view just to make things easier. We're going to go over to the create tab and we're going to click create sketch. You're going to do that, you're going to choose your plane, you're going to go through doing that, and then you're going to come over and you can hit the line tool. And then what you're going to do from there is you're going to create whatever line you want your pipe to be. Right now we're going to work in hard 90-degree angles, and then we'll move over to the fillet tool once I get done drawing this here. Okay. And then fillet tool. Come over, and then we're going to roughly sketch up where we want our angle to be at. And then there you go. Hit OK on that. And then we're going to go over to our materials tabs. I'm going to choose plastic because we're going to be printing in plastic. I don't know if that makes a difference, but now we're going to go to the create tool and go to pipe. Click that. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to click our line that we made, and bada bing, bada boom, you have your pipe. But right now it is still a completely solid pipe. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the Modify tab, hit the shell, click both ends of the pipe that we want to be hollowed, and then we'll go to the outside thickness, and we'll make that whatever thickness we want that to end up being. And there you go. You have your completed pipe. Alrighty, guys. Well, thank you very much for Mason's Fusion tips and tricks. Hope you have a great day. Bye.